Hello guys, in this section we're gonna work on the skills and a skill system. This is the entire skill tree you see in front of yourself. That's what we're going to make. If you're interested to know what the skills actually can do, if you didn't see it in the trailer enough or in the gameplay video, you can check my YouTube channel, which is called Alex Dev, and there is a video that is called Skill Tree in My Game is Insane. I'm gonna leave a link to that in the description. So in this video you can see the practical example of all of the skills, and in general, if you're interested in the devlogs and if you want to know how I'm developing my courses, you can follow the channel and check some videos, because here I just tell you what I did without technical details, just a short brief information on what you'll see in the course. And of course you can affect development if you want by giving me some ideas or suggestions, and I'll apply them into the game. Yeah, so check this video to see what skills are there and what they do. This is the skill tree itself. Now, I'm gonna open my prototype and show you some stuff. I'm gonna explain how the skills and the skill system gonna work on example of one skill, the sword throwing ability, this one. So what we're doing here, something pretty simple. You might have an idea that we're just creating a state that does all of the things together to make this ability work, but actually it's something different. What you see when she is aiming the sword, this is indeed an aiming sword state, but when I'm releasing the button, I'm just exiting the state and I'm creating a new object. This is a different object created separately. So basically what we're doing here is we play an animation, and at the same time we create a new object at the position of the player. So it looks like she launched the sword, and when I'm returning the sword, player does not actually do anything with it. She does not have any effect on this. She just runs around and do her stuff, and when I click right button, there is input on the sword that says move towards the player. And when it is close to the player, we delete the sword and we play another animation. And this is how it's gonna work with all of the skills. We play animation and we're creating another object that will act as we need, as we want to. So all of the skills basically contains two parts. One, animation that will make look of a casting ability or anything like that. And another part, the skill itself that acts on its own. So it's gonna have like a skill script. Yeah, so these are two parts that becoming one ability that acts as a skill that we want to. For example, if I press my ultimate ability, you can see she is flying up, and then there is a ball growing around her. But what actually happened is I'm just playing animation on her when she is flying up, and then at some point I'm creating a new object. You can see it here. It was created in the hierarchy black hole, and I even can delete it and it's not going to affect the character. So this is how it works, alright? This is how the skill system works. Besides, we're not going to put anything regarding the skill on the player. We're going to have a skill manager with a bunch of different skills, and we're going to access this skill manager when we want to, and from this skill manager we're going to create different abilities. Yeah, well, I hope this makes sense, and we're going to do it step by step. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it. It's going to be super simple to do, very understandable, and I guess we can begin. Yeah, let's go.